Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Palesa and welcome to this wig tutorial. I'm going to show you guys an updated wig tutorial. This is for my straight hair. Someone recently commented in one of my videos and asked me to do a video where I straighten. So I've been wearing this wig for about 2 weeks now, and I'm just going to quickly refresh it by washing and conditioning it. First things first, you want to comb out all the tangles, and I like to collect all the excess hair that sheds. Then I'm going to fill the basin with water. Please don't mind my phone, I just like watching things when I'm washing hair. So once my basin is filled up, I like to swish the hair around. You will see the hair will shed, so this helps get all that shedded hair off, but also it helps get some of that dirt and debris out. Then I am going to put some shampoo into the water just so it can soak in the shampoo and it can loosen some of that dirt, grease and oil or serums, whatever you've been using. So next, I did drain the water out and I'm going in with the organic shampoo, rubbing some of that in my palms and then working it into the hair. You want to take your time with this. The video is a little bit sped up, but as you can see, I'm working that shampoo from the roots to the ends of the hair. I am working it in one direction so as not to tangle my hair. So now I'm rinsing that shampoo out. I'm using lukewarm water, and you want to make sure that you thoroughly rinse out the shampoo. Leaving shampoo in your hair can get it matted and dry, and just having excess product in it will not help you when it comes to the styling. To condition my hair, I'm using the Tresemme Silky Smooth conditioner, and as you can see, I'm literally lathering as much as I can. This is because it's now winter in South Africa, and if you don't condition your wigs well and leave them moisturized, you are going to get a lot of frizz, and I do not want that. I like my hair sleek and straight, and conditioning it well really helps me with that. After working that conditioner in, and I left it in for about 30 minutes, I'm now rinsing it out with lukewarm water, again in the same direction. You do not want to make your hair go up in all different directions. You can already see how sleek and shiny my hair is. This is the second part of the video, and this is what the hair looks like after being air dried. I did apply some of the John Frieda Frizz Ease serum onto it before letting it air dry, and then I am just going to put it on the mannequin. I am using the Tresemme Heat Defense Spray as my heat protectant. I'm just going to spritz this all over the hair, lifting it up and flipping it over so I can get as much of the hair as possible. And then I am going to brush that through just to make sure that I'm working it all over the hair. Then I'm going to apply the OGX Moroccan Argan Oil Serum. I'm going to put a little bit of it. If you use a lot, then your hair is going to be very greasy. So with this product, a little goes a long way. I rub that in my palms, and then I'm just going to work it through the hair, smothering it all over. I find that doing this when I want to wear my hair out straight gives my hair a lot of body and movement, but also it helps with frizz. With my hairdryer on the highest setting, I'm going with my paddle brush, and I'm not trying to get my hair straight with this process. I'm just trying to get the waves out. So after air drying, my hair did kind of have like a body wave curl on it, and I didn't like that. So I'm just blow drying it to get that wave out. This is what it looks like. You will see the hair has more of that serum than in other places, but it will turn out just fine. The next step, I think, is my secret ingredient in getting my hair bone straight. It is separating the hair. So right here, I am sectioning the hair off, and I start off with a closure. I'm going to section it off and then clip it, and then I'm going to take 1 or 2 rows of hair. I normally do 2 because my white plate straightener gets really hot and it can get through to both sections. But if you have a straightener that doesn't heat up a lot, then you can take 1 row at a time. This will help your hair be more straight and sleek if you go row by row. For straightening, I'm using this thin tooth comb, and then I'm using my Toni & Guy XXL white plate straightener. What I'm going to do is I'm going to comb through the hair, but then I'm going to section the row in 2, and then I'm going to sleek it down with my fingers, as you can see, and then go through with the straightener. I like to do 2 swipes and the hair will be straight as ever. Then I'm going to do the other side. So I just run that straightener through twice. If you're scared of burns, then you should get a heat protectant glove, but I've been doing this for a while and I can take the heat. So I did zoom in so you guys could see. This is just me running the straightener through the hair. Don't be alarmed by that steam or smoke coming off there. It is because of the product applied to the hair before the straightening process. So you will see there's a lot of frizz. What I try to do is tame all of it, comb through it so all the hair is together, leaving no strands behind, and then run your straightener through twice. Please go from the roots, as far up the root as you can, because that will help your wigs lay more flat. These are the results so far. I'm about halfway up the wig and this is what the hair looks like. You can see it has a lot of movement and it is super straight and sleek. Look at that shine. So once I'm done with the hair, this is what it looks like, and it is now finally time to go up to the closure. Please pardon my wig tripod. I need to get a new one. That's why it's so janky and it doesn't hold the head up anymore. But look at that movement, baby. To get your closure to lay flat, again, you need to go in sections. So I'm sectioning the hair off. This is at the back of the closure, and I'm just going to get my straightener. Please note how I go from the root. If you don't have a hot comb, then use your straightener to kind of flatten those roots so your closure will be laying flat. Once that's done, I'm going to move over to one side and I'm running the straightener through, again going as close to the root as possible so that root will lay flat. Then you just open another line. Take it small lines, please. Don't go too wide, otherwise your closure will not have that flat, sleek look. So once I'm done, I'm going to finish the hair off with this OGX Keratin Oil. I cannot find the kukui oil anymore, so this is what I use as a finishing spray or a frizz protectant. Use a little bit. This is overnight for me. Then I'm going in with my hair dryer just to like kind of place that product all over the hair. You can already see how this hair is shining, baby. It is so sleek and it has a nice sheen to it. So this is the end of the tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave them for me in the comment section down below. Please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe, and I will show you the final product. I will see you in my next video.